We are here at the Computer Center at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Montgomery G&P hydro from the 1960s or 1970s. Let's start by going down. This thing is awesome. Let's get a cab view. Montgomery door equipment. Let's go down. Capacity 4,500 pounds. Capacity 4,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. It's Montgomery. I think 1 might be locked. Let's go up to 3. Come on, are we gonna go? Alright, let me see if my cat card will work. I don't think it will, but... Is this elevator broken?
Sir?
Is this elevator broken?
No,